Let's talk and improve your English.
Hello, Kareem. It's been a really long time since we last met.
Yes, Raheem. Time flies so fast. How is everything going in your life?
Life is not easy, but I'm trying my best to move forward.
That's the right attitude. What challenges are you facing these days?
Work pressure, family responsibilities, and improving myself every day.
Sounds like a lot of responsibility. Do you ever feel tired or stressed?
Yes, sometimes I feel very tired, but I don't want to give up.
That's inspiring. Many people quit when life gets hard.
I believe hard times teach us valuable lessons.
I completely agree with you. So, how is your English learning going?
Honestly, it's difficult, but I'm improving little by little.
What part of English is hardest for you?
Speaking is the hardest part because I feel shy and nervous.
That's very common. Even confident people feel that way sometimes.
Yes, but I know practice is the only solution.
Exactly. The more you speak, the more confident you become.
That's why I try to speak English every day, even if I make mistakes.
Making mistakes is part of learning. Mistakes make us better.
Sometimes people laugh when I speak incorrect English.
You should ignore them. Your growth is more important than their opinion.
You're right. Confidence comes from inside, not from others.
Do you watch English movies or listen to English podcasts?
Yes, I watch simple English videos and repeat the sentences aloud.
It's a very effective method for improving pronunciation.
My goal is to speak English confidently within 1 year.
If you stay consistent, you will definitely achieve it.
Thank you, Kareem. Your words motivate me a lot.
We should support each other and grow together.
Yes, let's make English a daily habit, not a fear.
That's a perfect mindset to succeed in life.